Hello guys, welcome to my channel once again. And before starting today's tutorial, I would like to request all of you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So without getting late, today I am going to teach you how to add data analysis tool in your Excel sheet. Sometimes what happens that uh, a data analysis tool might be inactive in your Excel sheet. So how to activate data analysis tool, or how to add data analysis tool in your data package. Okay, just for example, here when I click in data, then here is data analysis tool. Because I have already activated my data analysis tool, I have already import data analysis tool from add-ins of Excel sheet. But if uh, even if you click data, then data analysis tool might not be appear here. So if it not appear, then in that case please click on file over here and click on options. After that, here is add-ins, go with it, and here is analysis tool pack. Click on it and click on go, and click on here is different tool pack, analysis tool pack, euro currency tool, solver add-ins. So at this time I'm going to add analysis tool pack. I'm going to click on analysis tool pack, click OK. And after doing this, you can click on data, and you can see data analysis tool over here. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. That's it for today. Have a good